Hello guys, now I will show you how to use terraform public module, EC2 instance terraform public module. Okay, we have EC2 folder into our terraform folder, and what we have there, we have main.tf file and versions.tf file. Okay, into versions.tf file I have terraform block, required versions, required providers, AWS source versions. Okay, what we have into main.tf file, it's module VPC. I copied it from public module there and changed it little bit. Okay, it's our VPC module. I copied it from here and changed it. Okay, what is it next? And what I changed, its name, I don't change it. CIDR, enable DNS host names, availability zones, right? I have only 2 availability zones, and I have only 2 subnets, public subnets, 1 and 2. Okay, we don't need more. We have tags, and it is okay. What we have next, it's SSH security group. I named it like this. Its source code, it is here. We have version, and I copied it from here. Wait, I copied it from here. Source name, description, VPC ID, ingress CIDR blocks. Yes, I copied it from here and changed it for us. We need only port number 22 here, because I want to create Bastion host, and for Bastion port 22 it's enough. Protocol TCP, CIDR block, I specify any subnet because it's only testing purposes. Egress CIDR block, what it is egress CIDR block? It's outgoing traffic. I specify any IP, and egress rules is protocols. I specify any here as well. Next we have EC2 instance module, right? I found it here, which is terraform public module EC2 instance module managed by Anton Babenka, and I copied it from here and changed it. You can see we have name Bastion, instance type, key name. This key name I have it into my AWS account. Okay, I will show you. Key pair. Okay, yes, it is. And what else? Monitoring, we don't need, true, it's false. Subnet ID, I specified from VPC. VPC security group IDs, I specify from here. Okay, SSH security group module, security group name, and security group ID. We need only ID here. If we have more security group, I can specify here as well. I can add here like this module and so on. Associate public IP address. If we need public IP address, we should specify it. Okay. Create security group, false. It's because we don't need to create from here security group, because we already created there. Okay, it's enough for us and good I think. Let's go to the folder EC2 and run terraform in it. It's already initialized. Let's run terraform fmt. Okay, terraform validate. Good. Let's run terraform plan. Okay, as you see, here will be VPC, will be subnets, will be row tables. Okay, will be internet gateway, security group, default security group. It's network access list. It's security group ingress rule, port 22. It's egress rule, all protocols. Okay. And its name. It is EC2 instance resource. Okay. AMI. Let's run terraform apply now. Yes. Wait a little. By the way, for VPC we did not specify NAT gateway, as you see, because we here need only public subnets, right? We don't need here private subnets, and that's why I did not specify here NAT gateway. Okay, let's see what it is into AWS. So let's check VPC first. We have VPC, my VPC, and the resource map. Okay. What it is here, it is subnets, it's row tables, public, and it's default, and it's internet gateway for internet. I think already everything done for network side. Let's see EC2 instance. Okay, named its bastion, and it's public IP. We can check if port 22 is open. Let's telnet. Okay, it works. What else? It's instance type, key pair. Yes, let's check security group now. For security group we have inbound rule port 22, source 000, and the destination and subnet 000 and protocol all. Okay. Yes, I think everything good, and we can destroy now our configuration, our resources, because everything works. Let's destroy now. terraform destroy. You can see here what will be destroyed. Okay. Yes. Internet gateway still destroying. EC2 instance still destroying. Let's see last result. Destroy complete. Okay, let's see what happened here. No EC2 instance. Let's see VPC. No VPC. Okay, everything good. Thank you guys.